Salads are a great way of getting vegetables into our diet. I'm going to be showing you a Buddha bowl, and we're going to go over how we can chop and cut and make our salads interesting. Now, salads can be had before your main meal, so before lunch or before dinner. They can also be had instead of a meal, as a complete meal, and for that you can add a little bit of steamed vegetables instead of keeping everything entirely raw, so that it becomes a meal replacer salad. Now the ingredients that I'm using are all raw. Let's start with the yellow zucchini. Now, to get the zucchini like this, you can use a spiralizer or you can use a peeler like this. The carrot has also been spiralized, and there are many kinds of spiralizers available in the market. This is a really simple one, a handheld one, and you use it like a sharpener. So this is what you do. It's really easy. You can get your kids involved too and have them do it with you. Then the spinach is just washed and broken into pieces. These are seed sprouts. These in specific are radish sprouts. These are Moong sprouts. Cabbage here is grated, so you can either use a regular grater like this, depending on what size you want, or you can also use a V slicer. So this Buddha bowl is really simple. We just have to assemble it. And the most important part of any salad is the dressing. So there are many varieties of dressings that you can make, and the same salad can be made with different vegetables and with different dressings. The idea is that we eat with our eyes, so the more colorful you make your salad and the more differently you cut the vegetables, it makes it more appetizing and more interesting to eat. So I'm starting with making and plating the salad. There's our carrot, our spinach. You can use any other greens that you'd like to eat in a raw form. Our purple cabbage, tomatoes. So as you can see, it's getting more and more colorful, the salad. And now for the sprouts. If for some of you eating raw sprouts seems a bit difficult and you feel you won't be able to digest them, slightly steam them, though ideally sprouts are best had raw. And that's why it's important you sprout them yourself at home. It's really simple to do. And then a little bit of the seed sprouts. And I'm just going to cut these cherry tomatoes into halves. Just to add a little